Hey YouTube, it's Aqua. And have you ever seen Twitch just keep showing up under your tabs where it's going to keep showing you to log in each time? Well, it's not a coincidence. If you have a stream deck, it's basically asking you to sign into Twitch. So that's what it's doing. I have a extension here that uses Twitch and it wants me to sign into my account. So once I create the account, it's going to log in and it's going to be fine here. So I'm going to log in, but until then, all of your tabs, they're going to keep showing up log in Twitch. But if that's the reason, it's because you have a stream deck and they want you to log in. So I'm going to log into Twitch one time and then this should fix this issue for us. So now, as you can see, Twitch count has been added and Elgato is finally good. Let's continue to stream deck here. Let's continue to stream deck here and always allow this type of login here. So now it finally logged me in, and as you can see, AquaQuest is here. So now you should no longer get these spam login Twitch links. All right, so yeah, so now you should no longer get these spam Twitch links, okay? So yes, let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.